Today we are going to focus on the topic that is defect life cycle or bug life cycle. Actually defect is an error or bug in an application which is created by a developer having some flaws, right? Means if any expected result is not matching with the actual result, we can say it as a defect. So how this particular defect life cycle goes on. Defect life cycle is nothing but a journey of particular defect. When as a tester I'm testing particular application and at some point I found that this particular module or this particular function is not matching with the expected result, so I can raise it as a defect. So the defect life cycle is having this kind of, or these are the some steps which are common or the standard steps in a defect. So first step is a new. So what is meant by new? If this is the first stage of a defect life cycle. When particular defect is found by the tester, it is known as a new stage. So with respect to telecom billing, I will tell you one example. For example, you found out that the bill which is generated is not as per the rate sheet. Okay, for example, in international call they have charged differently as per which is mentioned in the rate chart. So this is the defect which is raised by the tester, so its stage is a new. Now this particular defect is gone assigned to some developer, so the second stage will be a assigned stage. So what happened here, in assigned stage this particular defect is assigned to a development team, then the development lead or the manager can assign that particular defect to a particular developer who has developed it, right? So when this particular defect is assigned to a developer, it goes to open or active stage. So now what happen in open or active stage? In open or active stage, this particular defect is analyzed by a developer. So they will analyze whether this particular defect is really genuine. So if the defect is genuine, they will fix it. If not genuine, they will reject it. Means they will cross check whether really on the bill amount and the is as per the rating sheet or not. If yes, they will try to fix it. If no, they will reject it by giving the reason. Sometime what happen, the same defect is also raised by the another tester and it is deferred. Deferred means now it is having a low priority and it can be resolved in the next release. So they can mark it as a duplicate defect. Okay, and deferred means what? If defect is not that much genuine, means it's not compulsory to fix it in this release only. If this release is having a very less time, then it can be deferred and they will try to fix it into a next release. If defect is very genuine, it's having a high priority, then they are going to fix it. In fixing, what happen, whatever will be the defect, they will work on it and they will resolve that particular bug or fix it. Then after fixing the defect, they will again assign that particular defect to a tester. Then tester again test the particular functionality. They will again cross check the particular rate sheet with a generated bill. If it is okay, they will again retest it and then this particular defect get goes into a closed state. So what happen if the developer has fixed it and while testing, if tester found that this particular defect is not closed yet, means some values are also mismatching, then they can again reopen it, then this particular defect is again go to the open stage and that developer has to fix. Sometimes what happen, this particular defect is solved, but by solving this particular defect some another defect may occurs, means while calculating an international call as per the rate sheet they have resolved, but while fixing it they have made some mistake in the SMS plan calculation, or depending on that some aggregate value will get changed, so again that have to be open. So in testing or retesting they have to check the whole application. So this is nothing but the defect life cycle or bug life cycle. So I request you all, please like, subscribe and comment our channel. Please share our channel and also check the different video links which are given in the description box. Please do check the I button on this particular video and check the whole playlist. Thank you all.